Ooh, what a view, what a view. What an adventure. ये है अपना थ्रिल एडवेंचर. दिस इज थ्रिल एडवेंचर. ये मट्टी लाल मट्टी रोड, ये लवली रोड, मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. आई लव रेड मट्टी रोड. भगाने में उसमें. हाँ, बारिश नहीं हुई तो ये तो गया, धस जाएगा पूरा बाइक अंदर. व्हाट अ व्यू. आहा, दैट ट्रीज वो नीचे जा रही है ना, वो मस्त व्यू आएगा. क्या मस्त है. आहा, क्या मस्त है. ओहो, क्या व्यू है. एपिक व्यू. आगे से लेते. हाँ हाँ हाँ. यप दे. आई जगावत, आई जगावत, आई जगावत. अरे उसको हेल्प चाहिए क्या मुकुंद आई गेस नहीं आ रहा आ गया so we are here at this location. It's just so beautiful, a word cannot describe it. It's just so beautiful. Roads are bad, but location, the on the way there are many points where you can stop and take epic photos, epic videos. Just beautiful. This is towards Lavasa. Lavasa is more 4 kilometers away from here. Came to know from locals. We are going from a different route via Panshed. Let's check out. एक काम कर So that was the road. Video was taken of that trail, epic trail. Now we are going directly to Lavasa, non-stop. It's only 4 kilometers. We'll have breakfast day. हल्ले हल्ले हल्लो साजना क्या पत्थर है भाई, पॉलिश्ड पत्थर. As you were saying, we put Tamini Ghat, and this is the road, and they were not allowing us. They are saying this is a private road, and you are not allowed. So how will we going to Tamini Ghat? This is how pathetic politics is this. I will suggest you never enter Lavasa. If you want to go to Tamini Ghat, go from the front door. They will charge you 200 rupees without just for crossing this, bypassing the city, just for bypassing the city. And we are returning home. We'll have breakfast as soon as we exit this stupid state city. Specifically, he was attacking us riders. He was saying no riders are allowed inside. Specifically, no riders. If you are geared up, you are a rider, you do stunts, you are not allowed. That's it. That's what the mentality here is. The security guard. He was just specifically targeting us. He was saying, you are a rider, you are not allowed here at all. Even if we don't allow to pay fees also, you are not allowed to enter the city. What to say about this? What kind of behavior? Pathetic behavior. I mean, safety comes first. If a person is wearing helmet, gloves and jacket, he's a rider and you do stunts and you are not allowed to enter the city. How? I mean, एक हद होती है stupidity का. Before Lavasa was built, it was a huge greenery mountain. Now after building it, they have destroyed the whole nature. So we are going little ahead to have some good food like vada pav and something which is fine enough, and we can get cold drinks and all. Let's see. जाते जाते अगर if we get good spots, we'll just stop and take some photos. Wow, what a lean Dominar. अरुण भाई साहब मस्त लीन कर रहे हैं. Wow, nice. See, there is the pits and everything. There. How? Bhav. So we are leaving now towards our home. We had breakfast, thinking to have vada pav, but we had bhurji pav and also tea, misal. Also we had cold drink. Now we are leaving towards our home. Click some photos in front of the dam, and that's the whole breakfast ride. It's completed. So we are all splitting now. We are all going towards our home, and now I am ending the video. And I hope you like this breakfast ride. It was off-route, some bad roads, some off-roading. It was epic. Beautiful view, foggy view, and really beautiful. Do like, do share, do subscribe to my channel, and do comment if you have any suggestion for any of my videos. Wear seat belts if you are driving, use sanitizer, wear a mask. Also, if you are riding, wear helmets, wear a mask, and stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. See you soon on the next video.